Well, hello there. Welcome to Dashcam Lessons. Before we get into it, I notice only a small portion of you guys who watch are currently subscribed. So if you like my content and would like to know when a new video comes out, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Be the best decision you've ever made. Now let's get into it.
¿Se qué? ¿Qué onda con ese loco? No manches.
You at your time and talk shit, now bitches busters getting checkmated. These days, motherfuckers talk shit and turn snitch when you see them, they ain't talking about shit. West side, so crazy. Bitch, I beat your boy, man, standing in the midst of comrades, can't fade me, plotting. Bitches can't fade me, plotting, but they blow his grass. With the midst of my comrades, so crazy. I beat your boy bad, driving in the truck with my black bag. About the shit I never had.
I got a camera too.
And the two things I cherish is money and guns. I love my ones, now I put blood on you. Snatch money from you, please slugs in you. Hey.
What is this clown doing?
Yo, what the f***, homie?
Oh, it's an older dude.
You're going the wrong way through the drive-thru, Holmes. What? What? He's never gonna get out.
No.
Oh my god, he is literally gonna go up on the curb.
Oh god, oh god, oh god. Don't hit the pole, don't hit the pole, sir. Don't hit the pole.
He's gonna hit the pole.
Oh, that was curb. That was curb only. Oh god.
What the f*** is going on?
I mean, I don't know if it's enough space for him to get out that way.
I don't think so. What the f*** is this guy doing? I mean, I know he's old, but... Yep. He ate the pole.
Oh!
On a Mercedes. Holy shit. Yeah, he did. Give me a mask. I'll check if they're alright.
fantastical, gentlemen. Huge jaw watching. Give it up at this stage. We are behind Jalen Hurts now. Whoever's going to lead this franchise moving forward. Well, it's a certain way to do it.
Browsers gives you this ability, and content that's viewed in apps oftentimes does not.
Or copy and pasting text, which is
Yes.
more infuriating. Not that browsers do that well either, but you've got to find criticize them.
Speaking of Apple News, we got a little bit of feedback in defense of Apple News. The feedback we got was very, very upset that we had besmirched their beloved app. But there was one fairly short email from Jay Peterson who wrote, News gives you better font size control, readability options, and accessibility features than the quote-unquote open web. No.
Stalin was a Georgian. But even though he spoke the country's chief language with an accent thick enough to slice, Stalin often acted more Russian.
Well, Ann asked me if I wanted a cold coffee with creamer, and I said, okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Wow.
Oh, where you son of a... Okay, Garmin, save video.